Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to create a thumbnail, logos thumbnail. So let's see. I will create my channel's thumbnail here. So let's see how to make my channel. First of all, I will make here a channel's name. Then is today's topic. Topic. Topic here will be here. Then here my creation. First creation. My creation. Creation name. Then let's see how can I make it. First of all, I will make its name logos logo with sorry how you can see my channel's name logo with logos with Sopu. So I created here its name take with the type 2. Then I think this font is okay. Then I will make it change in color. So make it in the middle point. In the middle point, hmm, you can see here. I will make it in the middle point. No, in the middle point you can see. Then I will make it create outlines. Then it will be ungroup. This so I will make it as I can shade in here with many things. So I will make here a things which is I will make a ellipse tool. Take a ellipse tool here. In here you can see take a ellipse tool here, which will be the which will be the mm, blue color. Then I will make it over. You can see here I'll make it over, and then I will cover this, and I will cut this portion with this letter with the shape builder tools. Then I'll make it here. You can see here I make it here some things I will make here. That's the thing I'll make. You can see here I will make here a change which is I will cut it down this portion, mm, this portion, this portion, this portion. You can see anywhere, yes, anywhere. You can see how it look like. It's look very nice to see. Is anything? No, there is. Here is perfect to see. You can see here how it look like. It's make it as logo. You can see it's look very nice to see. Then I make it here, and I will now it will be the group. It will be the group. Then you can change it here anywhere. So then I will make here a topic. Here I will make topic. Then here will be the thumbnail. Here will be the topic. Then I will make a topic here. So my topic, make a topic here. You can see here is the perfect. I hope so. Then here will be the topic. Our topic. Then I will make it give a color here. Give a color. Mm, which color would be the perfect for it? I hope this color will be the perfect. And uh, here will be the topic. So today's topic is how to create a thumbnail. How to create a thumbnail with Illustrator or something else. So let's see. Mm, So you can see here I will make change here something change. I will make here I will give here um, here I will make here something else. So I will make it Roboto. Roboto regular. Roboto is a nice color, nice nice font. So I will make it Roboto. I'll make Roboto here. You can see how it look like. This look very nice to see. I'll make its color. Mm, color. This color will be the perfect. I hope so. Then I will create my mark here. So create a mark here. It will be the make it here. Sopu's creation. Then I will change this font. Change this fonts. So which font will be the perfect for it? I think this font will be perfect for it, and I will make here something change. Yeah, I think this will be the perfect for my logo. So here you can see how to make a thumbnail, and uh, here you can see how to make a thumbnail. It's very nice to see. Then I will save it here. I will show you how to make a save here. I will make a save where I will save it. Mm, I'll make here. So create a name logos with Sopu. Then I will save it here. Save it here. You can save anywhere in your laptop or PC. Then here is your problem. So it's not a big deal. We'll see it. Then click here OK. This is this will be the AI file, but if you want JPG file, then you have to go to the file, then export here. Here is the export. Then export as, click here, export as, then make it change here, create JPG, then JPG. You have to click here, use artboard. If you don't you click here, then your artboard will be gone. You can't get your artboard. So click here, use artboard and export it. You can see here you can change your resolution. I will make it high. So click here OK, then it will be the save. You can see here saving. You have to wait some seconds, then you know that how now you know that how to create a thumbnail. So let's try it at your home and create it. So today's class is have in the end. See you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.